Malaysia's major transit hubs are high-speed environments engineered to keep massive crowds moving. Walk into one of these modern terminals, and the first thing you notice is the speed. For budget-conscious travelers, utilizing this network is the smartest way to bypass expensive airport car services and pricey taxis. The secret to this efficiency is that the entire country relies on self-service ticket kiosks. Traditional ticket counters and their long lines are practically non-existent. You trade the assistance of a human agent for massive time savings. But that places the burden of navigating the system entirely on you. The hardest part of getting around isn't figuring out which route to take. It is physically interacting with the machines. You will need to adapt to 3 entirely different kiosk ecosystems: the express buses, the city trains, and long-distance rail. This scorecard graphic outlines your variables. Depending on the specific machine you face, you must pass strict checks for payment type, ID verification, and gate protocol. If you expect to tap your card everywhere, you will get locked out at the gate. Getting from point A to point B smoothly requires knowing the exact localized rules for the screen you are standing in front of. Let's start with long-distance express buses traveling across peninsular Malaysia or into Singapore. Your primary launchpad in Kuala Lumpur is Terminal Bersepadu Selatan, or TBS. Here you interact with the centralized ticketing system. This wireframe demonstrates the main advantage of the CTS interface. It consolidates every bus operator, schedule, and price onto one screen. The trade-off is strict manual input. Foreign tourists must type their exact passport number into the screen, while locals input their MyCard details. Payment here is flexible. The kiosk accepts cash, credit, and debit cards, as well as local e-wallets like Touch and Go. Once paid, the machine dispenses a single, flimsy paper boarding pass with a QR code printed on it. You must physically scan this specific QR code at the automatic departure gates. If you lose that piece of paper on your way to the platform, you will be denied access to your bus. The digital booking experience at TBS is highly consolidated, but your actual journey hinges on preserving a fragile paper slip. For short, fast hops across Kuala Lumpur and the wider Klang Valley, you switch to the Rapid KL urban rail network. These kiosks operate with heavy cash constraints. Older machines on this network will outright reject large bills. You need to deliberately hoard your smaller denominations, 1, 5, and 10 ringgit notes. Exact change is practically required. Instead of paper, these machines dispense physical, reusable blue plastic tokens for single journeys. This split screen shows the dual-action gate protocol. To enter, tap the blue token on the entry sensor pad. Leaving requires a behavioral shift. You must drop the token into a vertical coin slot so the machine can swallow and recycle it, which opens the gate. Navigating the city quickly requires leaving digital payments behind and committing to a physical cash and token loop. Finally, we have the KTM commuter and ETS networks, used for cross-country and intercity rail travel. This system enforces rigorous passenger identity tracking across all its routes. Unlike the bus terminal where you type your ID in manually, KTM kiosks require you to place your actual physical passport onto the machine's glass reader for a scan. This restriction prevents anonymous purchasing entirely, and it makes transferring a ticket to another person highly difficult. The gate protocol here mimics the bus system. The kiosk prints a paper ticket with a QR code, which you scan at the automatic controller gates to reach the train. Long-distance rail prioritizes security over frictionless access. Having your physical identification documents out and ready is just as important as your method of payment. Knowing what each machine demands allows you to seamlessly apply these rules the very moment you arrive at the station. This flowchart routes your exact behavior. City commuters on Rapid KL hoard small notes, and remember, tap to enter, drop to exit. Cross-country bus explorers use CTS kiosks, e-wallets, and guard your printed QR slip. Intercity travelers on KTM have your passport ready to scan. By calibrating your payment method and ID readiness to the specific machine in front of you, you bypass the friction and travel across Malaysia with total efficiency.